Hello everyone, welcome to this little video. It's not about coding but about talking about what's gonna happen on my channel for the next week and month. So as you know, I was a beginner in programming for less than 2 years ago. So I started programming in 2016 in January. And when I've started learning programming, I started learning by watching some video on YouTube and stuff like that. So all the free content. And this is something who get me fall in love with programming is the fact that a lot of person giving back to the community by teaching and give you free knowledge and stuff like that. And now with my year experience and stuff like that, I want to re-give back to all of you because this is all for me I've learned. And I just think that's a good idea. And in the same time, that improve myself because as you know, when you teach something, you start to know something because teaching, for me, it's the best way to learn. So, as you know, I've started my programming channel here, and I didn't really get like any idea about where I want to get. So some of my plan was to build tutorial and stuff like that, but the thing is, take a lot of time and a lot of energy, and I just think then I cannot do anymore just tutorial always because I'm not the kind of person who always keep in one thing. I need to do more thing to always keep me motivated. So that's why sometimes you see me going somewhere else, etc. So this video is about what's gonna happen in the next few day, week, and month. So sorry if I talk really bad. I'm really sick right now. So first thing, I'm gonna try now to do 1 to 3 video a week on a tutorial I'm gonna build right now. I've started. One of my next ones gonna be with Elixir in Phoenix and GraphQL with React Native, and I want to build an Instagram clone. I've done the sketch and stuff like that. I think I'm gonna show you a video about this later. My plan about this is to build the basic Instagram with all the same design, with the thing that you can follow someone, can comment on photo, you can upload photo with React Native. Also, you can send in chat, and also we're gonna maybe have like stories kind of ish and stuff like that. So this is something I want to check. It's gonna build with Elixir and Phoenix because this is right now. I think I've done this for one of my clients right now, Elixir project, and I really fall in love with that. So this is something I really want to improve now in the future because I love this language. After that, one of my plans before the end of the year is going to be to build like a multiplayer game on Node.js or maybe Elixir for the backend and with JavaScript with phaser.io. So for the one who don't know, phaser.io is this thing right there. So it's a library finally who let you build a desktop application. So example, if you want to build something like one of the game I really like, it's slider.io, where here I can put a name. And finally, when you play, you become like a snake who eat some stuff like that, and you can get eaten by a bigger one than you. So this is something I maybe gonna want to do. And because it's gonna be multiplayer, you need like WebSocket and stuff like that. I think Elixir will be really nice because Elixir make your real-time stuff so much easy with Phoenix, and I just think that can be good with that. Or I'm gonna use Node.js because this is the thing I know the most. After that, I want to do at least one video about tips on everything about what I've learned. So as you can see, like example, yesterday I did the video on the font. And why? It's because that was yesterday in the morning, I learned this technique about uploading the font on my React Native. So I don't like to keep it for myself, so that's why I share to you. And I want to do this with everything I know, so it's going to be Node.js, JavaScript, React Native, React, Redux, everything, maybe some observable stuff, etc. After that, I want to do one live coding session of some of my project. So like maybe my crypto app or something like that. And yeah, everything I want to do finally. And now here, it's the big thing I want to talk about you. And I'm not sure if this is something you guys want me to do, but I think that can be a really good idea. Sorry. What I want to do, it's one live coding session for helping people with specific problem. So I know like it's not everyone here who have like money or stuff like that to get course or maybe get mentor and stuff like that. And that's normal to get question and get like lost in all this internet and stuff like that. So my plan now is to do 1 hour to 1 hour and a half on the Thursday, maybe a hangout or a Skype session with maximum of 5 people. So who you can come and ask some question who I'm gonna try to helping you the most as I can. So it's gonna be like a QA session, and all that's gonna be live coding and putting to on YouTube. So the thing is, if you get with kind of question about, I don't know, like you have some weird problem with your authentication system or something like that, you need to know that if you came to this hangout or stuff like this, your code's gonna be shown after that on the YouTube. So example, if you have some problem on a part of your code, just take it. So because you're not alone to have this kind of question, somebody else gonna surely have it. So that's why I want to, at least if I done this, I want to share it to the most people as I can, so more people can be better and better and better. So that's gonna be on each Thursday. So that's gonna start in 2 days, from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and this is East. So if no one is there, at least that's gonna be a live coding session. So now all my Thursday 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. is gonna be live coding session. But at least if you want, I'm gonna send you my email. So yeah, I'm gonna put my email right there. So if you want to get this live coding session, so Thursday, 8 p.m. East, just email me at this address and just put in the subject live coding session helping on YouTube. So at least I can know how many people can be there. And like I told you, that can be like, I mean, boring question. If you think this is boring, I mean, no question is boring. So if you get some question about, I don't know, like CSS grid or React Native, you get some weird problem or something like that, I'm gonna try to do my best to help you. If I can, sorry, but at least I'm gonna try to give you the most knowledge I can on your problem. So I hope you like the all my channel gonna go for the next few weeks and few months. First thing too, I want to thank you everyone to follow me and like my video. I really appreciate that. That really motivated myself, and now that's why I want to give you back this kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoy. Please hit me on the comments if you have some question about this. If you think this live coding session right there can be a good idea. If you think, then you can maybe don't want to ask the question, but maybe watch the video after that. So at least you can see what other people do and what kind of problem you can get after that when you get to real project or something like that. So again, have a good night everyone, and thank you. You're the best audience. Have a good night. Bye.